How to power a Ring doorbell with no power. All right, so the easiest method is to use a rechargeable battery, as the simplest way to power your Ring doorbell is by using its inbuilt rechargeable battery. Many models, such as the Ring Video Doorbell 3, 4, and the Battery Doorbell Plus, come with rechargeable battery packs that can last several weeks to months depending on your usage. And there is no wiring required. It's easy to install. The battery lasts at least 1 to 6 months depending on your usage, and you can recharge it via a USB. Now, you could also use a solar charger, which is a low maintenance option. So, if you want to reduce how often you charge your battery, consider adding a solar panel. Ring offers compatible solar chargers that keep the battery topped up using sunlight. So it's actually ideal for sunny locations. It extends the battery life. It's easy to install, but it still requires a battery inside of the unit. So you're still getting all the functionality. Now, you could also use an indoor adapter. That's an indoor power adapter. It's a wired adapter, but it's a great option. It allows you to power the Ring doorbell from a standard wall outlet without needing existing doorbell wiring. So basically, it provides you continuous power. It's ideal for Ring models, and it requires a routing cable through the wall or door frame. So please keep that in mind when you're picking this up. Now, you could also choose a right ring model. So before your installation, make sure the ring model that supports your preferred power method is a battery powered model, which offers flexibility. And you could still get a wired model, but that provides just continuous operation. All right.